And for the first time, a pharmaceutical company has asked the FDA for permission to sell a birth control pill over the counter in the United States.
Right now, a woman has to have a prescription to take it, but now that an abortion ban, except for life-saving procedures, is back in effect in Arizona, access like this could be a game changer. Brianna Whitney has been looking into what this could mean for our state, Brianna.
Yeah, this could be a major deal for women, especially when it comes to just getting access to the pill. Ironically, the pharmaceutical company said this timing has nothing to do with the overturning of Roe. This has been in the works for years, but now it has some real implications for states like Arizona that have bans and restrictions on abortions.
In the past few weeks, OBGYN Dr. Laura Mercer is fielding the same questions from her patients.
There is a lot of uncertainty in Arizona about exactly what our current laws mean, and there is a lot of nervousness and worry.
As it stands, the territorial law is back in effect, which says there is a total ban on abortions in Arizona unless it's a life-saving situation, and punishment to providers who perform abortions is prison time.
Access to any kind of birth control is going to be good for the people of Arizona.
And that's what the company HRA Pharma is trying to do. Monday, the company filing an application with the FDA to sell a birth control pill over the counter. The move sets up a high-stakes decision for health regulators amid legal and political battles nationally and state to state over women's reproductive health.
When we have access to birth control, we know that abortion rates decrease.
Several doctors in Arizona talking about access barriers and why some women may struggle to get on birth control.
Whether it's insurance, whether it's being able to get connected with a primary care doctor, making an appointment, and just the logistics.
Dr. Shad Marvasti says OTC birth control has long been encouraged by many health agencies and organizations, with minor risks not unlike many other OTC pills.
The clotting risk for birth control pills is relatively low when you also think about the risks of an unplanned and unanticipated pregnancy.
What remains a question is whether states can and will fight the decision if the FDA approves it. But Dr. Marvasti says when it comes to safety approval, the FDA is top tier.
It's going to be a much more of an uphill battle when something is FDA approved, and that basically means that it's sanctioned.
So how fast could this all happen? An FDA approval could come next year, and the pill would be sold under its original brand name, Opill.
Yeah. Well, it comes at a very timely, we're all talking about this right now.
But you said off the top, this has nothing to do with the Supreme Court ruling. It's been in the works, right?
I mean, for years. And a lot of the health agencies and those organizations have said, this is a good idea. Let's do this. The risks are low. The benefits are great. Just so happens it comes at a very historic time.
That's interesting.
You're right.
All right.
Well, we'll be talking about this one. Thank you, Brianna.